In this short tutorial, you will learn how to delete multiple files from Google Drive quickly and easily. Deleting multiple files at once can save you time and effort, especially if you have a large number of files to remove. To get started, open up the Google Drive app and then tap and hold any file. After that, tap and select the files that you want to delete. If you don't want to select files one by one, you can tap on this button at the top right to select all the files in your Google Drive. Once you've selected the files that you want to delete, tap on these three little dots at the top right corner of the screen. And then tap Remove. Tap Move to Trash to confirm it. Now those selected files are deleted from Google Drive. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.